Hey my friend, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video today, we're going to be talking about how you can utilize one ebook and turn it into a six-figure business. If it's your first time on my channel, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I do create video and content about different strategy that you can use to build businesses online. And having an ebook is one of the most powerful ways you can actually do that. So imagine a couple of weeks from now, you create your own ebook and you're having 37K in a month for it, or even more, and grow your income. The amazing part about this is that if you create that product, which is a digital product, you create it one time, you don't have to keep creating it in order for you to sell it. That allow you to have what's called passive income. So let me go ahead and break it down for you on how you could do that. Me personally, I go into different niches and I create different ebooks and I sell them, and then they create passive cash flow for our business. So what's the breakdown? First thing, you probably already have ideas and things that you know how to do in your head right now. If you know how to do certain things, you're gonna go into a niche that people, they're gonna need certain specific information. An ebook allow you to sell something at a very low cost. That's not gonna take a lot of time into creation. Because if you're gonna create a course, let's say you're gonna create a video course, it's gonna take you a longer time. But an ebook, it's gonna be, whether you're gonna do it, it's gonna be 10, 30 pages. It's not gonna take you a long time. So it's a lot faster for you to render an ebook. So that's why having an ebook as one of your first product, or if you already have other products as one of your arsenal, it's gonna help you big time. So first thing, you gotta find a niche. Whether that ebook, the title, it's going to be, like for example, this ebook that you see that I wrote here, it's 7 steps to build and monetize brand without showing your face. So my goal inside of this ebook is to help entrepreneurs that maybe you're afraid of getting in front of the camera, but that still want to build a business online. And that ebook, that specific ebook, into that niche teaches them how to build a brand without showing their face and still be able to monetize them. Maybe for you, your ebook is going to be learn how to buy your first property without using the bank's money. So 3 steps to lose weight in less than 90 days, right? So maybe that's the title of your ebook. Maybe your ebook is going to be teaching somebody how to be a better father, 7 secrets on how to become the best dad in your family, something like that. If you're gonna have a specific niche, a specific target, you're gonna bring information to them. What you want to do when you're creating your ebook, keep in mind that you want to deliver what is promised. So if I'm saying my ebook is gonna be 7 steps that's gonna teach you X, Y, and Z, guess what? When you buy the ebook, I don't want it to be like, oh, I'm gonna give you 1 step and then buy my course for you to get the 7 step. Because remember, if you're gonna do a course, because sometimes what a lot of people do, they create ebooks as just a funnel to get people into a course. But if you want your ebooks to be successful, deliver on the promise, deliver on the title. If you tell the person that I'm gonna teach you how to do X, Y, and Z, deliver it in the ebook. You still have an opportunity to sell something of a higher ticket. Because what happened with a lot of entrepreneurs sometimes that's getting started, it happens to me, you want to funnel the person into maybe a course that's gonna spend more money with you and not deliver on the front end. But what's gonna make people want to spend with you is if you deliver on the first promise that you give them. So make sure that even if the ebook is 3 pages long or 1 page long, you still deliver on exactly what you promised them. If you say, I'm gonna teach you how to do X, Y, and Z, inside of the ebook, you teach them how to do X, Y, and Z. That's how your product is gonna over deliver. That's gonna make it go viral because they're gonna have the willingness to share it with people if they are having results. Okay, so that's gonna be the first thing. Figure out a niche and then create your ebook towards that niche by solving a problem inside of that niche. Okay, keep it stupid simple. If you're gonna do 3 problems, if your niche, whatever niche that you're in, they're gonna have multiple problems. Some niches, hundreds of problems. So if you're gonna take care of 3 problems or 7 problems inside of the ebook or 7 steps inside of the ebook, I'm sure there's more steps left. So there's always going to be the opportunity for you to do business with the person in a different format. But with the ebook, we want to keep it stupid simple. One problem, one solution. Boom, 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 you knock it out. The person get the ebook and they receive what they actually think they're going to get from you. Okay? So with that being said, with your ebook, the problem that a lot of people have is pricing. How much do I price the ebook? You can go out there, look at your competitor, look in the marketplace and see what people are pricing the ebooks in the same field as you. It's not a one size fit all type of thing where if this person is charging $7, I have to charge $7 for my ebook. There's people that sell books, ebooks, they charge $1,000 for it. If it's fixing a solution and that you're very confident in fixing a problem and the solution is worth it to the person, you can still have somebody that buys a book for $1,000. I mean, I remember going to college and I was buying books for like $150, $300. You know, because I was made to believe that this book is what I need for me to pass the class. Even if I'm going to use it for 3 months for one semester of the year, I still went ahead and got the book. So if you have an idea or if you have bringing something to the table that you do believe that is going to create a solution that you know that is worth it, don't be afraid to charge higher than that. But the average price on ebooks usually run anywhere between $7 all the way up to $97. So that's on an average standpoint that you will see that people sell. Some people 47, some people 37, but that's gonna allow you to create some type of cash flow in the front end to maximize on your business once you have the ebook. So in the ebook, that enable you to elaborate on whatever that you're gonna be teaching them. So let me go ahead and streamline the process. So first of all, you start with a niche, an idea, a problem that you're going to be solving. All right. So once you have that, you're going to write down your document. So right now, writing an ebook, you can do it the lazy way. I mean, you can literally put your bullet points out and then use AI to kind of structure your mind. Because here's the one thing you got to understand. Also, although there's process that is very similar, like people can get something general, like using AI. AI is a collective mind of everybody that puts information, because we the one that creates AI. The people are the one that creates AI, because AI is artificial intelligence, is really taking everybody, a global intelligence of everyone. And when you go on the internet, you write stuff, other people write stuff, you search stuff, other people search stuff. That's what really create this computer that can give you some of the best answers. So if you're using like ChatGPT for our ebooks, if we're using AI in order for us to create those ebooks and create those information, we still want to put our own touch on it, because your touch is the essence, because this experience that you're having, that's what makes it different. That's what's going to make your ebook different. Unless you're just in a niche where you don't really care about, you know, putting your essence into what you're doing. You just want to be able to flip cash, because there's some niches that I jump in, like I'm not really someone hands-on doing exactly. For example, we have a business in the hair niche. Like we have ebooks where we teach people how to take care of their hair. Like I don't use the products every day, although I get some information from some of our influencers, but I'm still able to just go and give some of the, you know, find some information online, give some of the blueprints, and kind of create an ebook, generate an ebook easily using AI. So we're going to leave that for later. But if it's for your first ebook, you're really trying to make some changes, use your own personal experience, some of the data, some of your personal experience, some of the personal problem solving that you've done in the past, and how they can actually impact your potential client. It's gonna set your ebook aside, right? It's gonna be A1. So always think about that. So once you write the ebook, one of the things that's gonna help you big time is create like an ebook cover. You can, if you're not a great designer, you want the ebook to look good, you can go to a website like Fiverr where you can hire a designer and they can create a ebook cover for you. And then once you have the word, you wrote down the word, you can also have the same people that create the cover, have them put the ebook in I use a software called flipper.com, which is pretty good. That's what I host a lot of my ebooks on. For example, this ebook that I have, the 7 steps to build and monetize brands without showing your face. If you go in the comment below, you can grab that ebook. If you're someone that wants to build businesses without showing your face, I give you the process on how we've been able to do it with the first brand that we built, and then we kind of duplicate the process in multiple different brands. So you'll see the process in there, but you will see that the ebook is hosted on a software called Flipper. It's pretty easy. It kind of flipped the book, so it looks pretty dope online. Those are some of the things that you can do once you have the PDF format. Once you send it to somebody, they create the ebook, they put the images, they put the words on there on a PDF format, they send it to you, you can host it. And once the person buy it from you, then you can literally start making money from that. All right, so once the ebook is completed, the most important things that you're gonna need is traffic. You need people to buy it. One of the best way is to create content around different problems that you solve in your ebook. If you can create content, let's say you create an ebook about, you know, how to grow your hair in 90 days. You know, how to grow your hair, a specific texture of hair. How to grow your hair back in 90 days. So I can create content on, you know, what shampoo they should use, hair wash, when they should do hair wash days, what type of mineral they should be taking, if that's gonna help them with the regrowth of their hair, what type of oil they should be putting in the hair, really explaining and helping them. So if I'm creating content around this specific, I can always sell my ebook. So you think about it, if you're a niche, if you get into a niche and you're creating content about that, and your ebook is the exact 7 step for you to regrow your hair in less than 90 days, utilizing an ancient method that's been hidden, boom, a secret ancient method. So you keep referring to that ebook every time you create content. You keep referring to that ebook for them to have a full step-by-step instructional guide that they can follow, and in there you make a sell, and you keep making a sell. And if you want to explode it, you can even get the people that you're selling it to become an affiliate to ebook and start promoting it to other people. And this is the power of creating one property, you know, that is a digital property for yourself, and that you can sell it over and over and over again without having to rethink and remake and, you know, re-putting more words out there on it. You can just literally have one ebook and you keep selling it over and over. And as you selling that ebook, you also make sure you get the people's email that you're building a buyer's list. Because once you have a buyer's list, if the person bought an ebook from you, they're more likely to buy something in the future from you. Let's say, you know, from you selling your hair journey ebook, then now you want to transition them into buying actual physical product, maybe oil, like different oil that they can put in their hair after they wash it. They will be a better client, an easier client, because they've already been accustomed with the information that you're teaching them. It's easier to get them and get them to buy the oil that you're gonna be selling. So that's just really scaling it, right? Scaling the business in a form of adding another product line to the same clients that you was gonna promote to. But if you want to scale just the ebook side, you can just make them become an affiliate to your ebook, and they start selling it. They get 50% commissions whenever they sell it, so they can go and share with their friends and make money at the same time. Now you start building your list. They're also bringing you their friends that are interested into the exact method that you're using. This is how we've been able to literally build 6-figure businesses just using ebooks. Hopefully you find some value in this video. Let me know in the comment. Also, if you're interested into coaching, if you're interested into me helping you set up all that stuff, there's a link in the comment. Go ahead and fill it out in the description of this video. Fill it out, reach out to me. Also check out my ebook, 7 Steps to Build and Monetize Brands Without Showing Your Face, if you're interested into that. That's gonna help you big time. But that was your boy Cater. Appreciate you for watching this video. See you guys later. Let's go.